In England, we celebrate Bonfire Night, or Guy Fawkes Day, on the 5th of November. The event is over 400 years old. Guy Fawkes was born in 1570. He was Catholic, but England and the King, James I, were Protestant. The King was anti-Catholic, so Guy Fawkes and his friends wanted to blow up the King and Parliament on the 5th of November 1605. The plan failed. The King's soldiers arrested and executed Guy and his friends.
A bonfire party. We have a traditional bonfire party in our garden. We usually make a guy from old clothes and newspaper. The guy represents Guy Fawkes. On bonfire night, we put the guy on the fire. We also have lots of fireworks. We usually eat sausages and burgers, and we have a great time. Paul, 12.
A school fireworks display. We celebrate Bonfire Night with a fireworks display at my school. We have a great time, and we raise money for the school. It's usually very cold, but we are with our friends, and the bonfire is always really warm. Alice, 13.
A public fireworks display. I love Bonfire Night. There's always a spectacular fireworks display in the centre of Cambridge. It's free and thousands of people go there. There's a big bonfire after the fireworks. It's always fun, and we often see our friends there. Tony, 13.